Hi everyone, my name is Austin Bingham, and welcome to the course Core Python Getting Started. My co-author Robert Smallshire and I are founders and principal consultants at 60 North. Python is a big language, and it's important to have a thorough grounding in its key concepts in order to be productive and create high-quality Python programs. In our experience, starting off in the right direction and avoiding early misconceptions is crucial to success with Python, and that's the kind of start we aim to provide with this course. In this course, we're going to introduce you to the essentials of the Python language, as well as important parts of the Python standard library. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Python's fundamental data types, using functions and modules to organize your code, Python's underlying object model, defining your own types using classes, and working with iteration and iterable objects. By the end of this course, you'll know what you need to work on many Python projects, and you'll be in a great position to continue learning more advanced aspects of Python. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic computer concepts like files and running programs. This course doesn't assume any specific programming experience, but a basic understanding of concepts like functions and program execution can be helpful. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other core Python language courses on organizing larger programs, classes and object orientation, functions and functional programming, and robust resource and error handling. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the Python programming language with the Core Python Getting Started course at Pluralsight.